Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into a concerning trend amidst the conflict in Gaza. Reports of anti-Muslim incidents in the United States have surged, highlighting a disturbing reality. Let's explore this issue further. In recent weeks, as tensions escalated in the Middle East, so did incidents of violence and discrimination against Muslims in the U.S. mosques vandalized, verbal abuse, and assaults have become all too common. Community leaders express fear and frustration, citing a climate of Islamophobia fueled by misinformation and bigotry. Hate speech online and in public spaces contributes to this toxic environment. However, amidst the darkness, there are glimmers of hope. People from diverse backgrounds are coming together to denounce hate and stand in solidarity with their Muslim neighbors. Interfaith dialogues, social media campaigns, and grassroots movements are amplifying voices of peace and understanding. Communities are pushing back against bigotry, advocating for tolerance and acceptance. Conclusion: as the conflict overseas continues, it's crucial to remember that violence and discrimination have no place in our society. We must strive for empathy, education, and dialogue to build bridges, not walls. Together, we can create a world where all individuals are treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their religion or background. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.